So once again, no, this is our 7 treatment sessions. So here with Mamaloy, no, again, pinakagabi na, libutang na to, no, there. So here, again, pintahan ninyo, no, this is about 2.5 pounds each, no, upat ka buok, plus kini 1 kilogram. Again, it's up to you, no, again, monigi, gasolina, di Mamaloy, sa yahang shoulder, no. There you are, Mamaloy, okay, 10 seconds hold, and start now. 1, 2, good.
3, 4,
Turn na.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, good. This is Armalite gun, no, in the brain, but gasoline in the shoulder, elbow, and wrist, no. Again, to all the NB prepare, no, kaya nasibya naman ninyo, no, nakuha naman ninyo. Again, it's time for the American, by which lagi, balikon ta mo, my countrymen, no. Kaya mutuo naman mo, o katulad ka sa laing country, by which lagi na tumausap in 100%, but na ginahinay, no. So here naman, Lloyd, 10 seconds hold, start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, mga Lloyd, tricep, no? Anak, here, hold 10 seconds. 1, 2,
3, 4,
this is the elbow.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, good. The biceps. Elbow po niya siya. Here, mga Lloyd, hold 10 seconds. 1. Okay, so here, follow this one.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, rotation on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, so here, no, again, muni gibutan ni Mamaloy, no. So again, ulit tang his family, no, kay nihang utang na mo advance ta gamay para sa computer, no. So which lagi, what tay computer again, pinaka-sophisticated na dero nakuha kay mabutang kung asa ko na computer, no. Ana ka pinangga na ka sa Amerika, no. Na monitor na nila asa ka dapitan na computer. Thank you to the US, especially to the President of the United States, Mr. Barack Obama, no. Again, this is for the ayaw wa ko labot sa mga rich and famous, no, by which para nila kuha sa mga pobre, no. So here, again, pinaka imibigay niya stroke, no, recover the iyahang left, by which lagi the whole in the whole world di na ginano kay nalagi tay pasyente nga di pa pauli kay by which mamatay na, uy nindot naman kayo, balikon ko to ay pakita na ko ninyo, by which Mr. kuanto siya si Papa Tundandi, taga dia di singa Papa Tundandi katumay bulong. Anyway, again, basta na kung ipakita ninyo nga nabuhay pa, no? Buhay pa doon karon. So here, again, thank you.